I'm Paul Pinto, and I'm a managing partner with Sylvan 6. As part of my role in the organization, I'm responsible for developing innovative approaches to delivering our standard set of outsourcing advisory services to our worldwide client base. Now, as you can imagine, I've been involved in my fair share of RFI, RFP, and vendor selection processes. But only recently have I really gotten excited about the RFP process. It's really changed, perhaps even evolved, if you will, to become what I like to call RFP 2.0. Now, as part of RFP 2.0, we're still producing the same deliverables that we produced in RFP 1.0, but we're doing so through the application of a new set of methods and techniques. In RFP 1.0, we used word processors and spreadsheets and email as the primary communication mechanism. In RFP 2.0, we're using online collaboration tools and reusable intellectual property that's available through the internet. We're also leveraging vendor research that's available through organizations like the Outsourcing Institute, all of which has been synthesized to take what was once a 6 to 9 month process and reduce it to become a 3 to 4 month process. Now, obviously there's cost savings associated with a reduction in cycle time of this nature, but there's a number of other benefits that aren't immediately evident. We've been able to take the process and add a 3-phase approach to evaluating the client-vendor relationship. Think about it as math, physics, and chemistry of the relationship. The math refers to the price, and everybody understands the price. I mean, everybody understands the pricing component. The physics refers to the fitness of a vendor to provide the required services, and that's typically very well understood. The chemistry, the last component, which is acknowledged as being the greatest determinant of longevity of a relationship, it's also typically ignored in the RFP and vendor selection process. We've taken all of these components and we've developed eHarmony or Match.com for the client-vendor relationship. So an online-based tool that asks you a series of questions, and by virtue of your responses, you could be matched with any one of a number of suitable vendors. Now, if you're considering an outsourcing decision or looking to change vendors, I would strongly urge you to consider the implementation of an RFP 2.0 approach as opposed to the standard RFP vendor selection process.